Hi everyone, I hope you're okay. And I really hope, guys, that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. This will be video number 2, guys, from me tackling the KwaZulu Natal 2023 November mathematics paper 1. If you're new to the channel, guys, please note that there's a playlist already whereby I'm answering the full memorandum, and each question will have its own video. Just make sure that you click the link on the description. It will direct you straight to the playlist with the full memorandum. You can download the question paper or take a screenshot, answer the questions with me. If there are things you're not sure about, I really hope that you'll be able to, or rather you'll have courage to ask me, and I'll definitely come and assist you. Okay, question 2. I'm supposed to solve x without using a calculator. Okay, 2.2.1. For me to solve x, guys, the first thing that I must check, I don't want to have fractions, surds, and brackets. If I don't have those, then I can move. I can see that there are no brackets, sets, or fractions. Ne? Okay, then the second step, I must make sure that my equation is in standard form. An equation will be in standard form if and only if everything is on the left hand side and then 0 is on the right hand side. Are you together? And then what you can do over here is to just factorize. I'll have 2x, x, and I'll have 3 and 1. I'll have minus and plus. Then x is just equal to negative half, or x is 3. So x is just equal to negative half, or x is equal to 3. Okay, now let's move to the second one. I'm solving for x, and x is at the exponent, and I must make sure that the bases are the same. 3x minus 1 is equal to 128. Okay, 1 over 2 can be written as 2 to the power negative 1. I still have 3x minus 1. 128 can be written as 2 to the power 7. Okay, now whenever I remove the brackets, I'll simply have 2 to the power negative 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 7. I have my bases, and they are the same. I can just drop them, and then the exponents will be equal. So therefore, negative 3x plus 1 is equal to 7. The negative 3x. When I take the 1 to the other side, I'll have 7 minus 1, which will give me 6. Therefore, x is equal to negative 2. So x is just equal to negative 2 here. Okay, 2.2.2. Okay, yeah, I'm supposed to solve x, and I'm given an inequality. I have 3x minus 2 being between negative 5 and 7. Since I'm solving x, guys, it simply means that here in between, I'm supposed to be left with x only. Are you together? I must isolate x. The first thing that I must get rid of is this thing over here. So how can I get rid of that thing? If I can get rid of it if I can add a 2. So I'll have 3x minus 2. And remember that I'll have negative 5 and 7. I have negative 5 and 7. If I decide to add a 2 in here, I must do it even on the left hand side and the right hand side as well. So whenever I do that, I'll be left with negative 3, and then there will be 3x in between because the 2's will cancel one another or subtract one another, and then I'll be left with 9 on the right hand side. I want to be left with x only. I must divide everything by 3. Whenever I do that, I'll be left with x, and then on the left hand side I'll have negative 1, on the right hand side I'll have 3. So x is just a number which is between negative 1 and 3. Okay, then now I'm supposed to solve a simultaneous equation. I'm given equation number 1, so I'll simply say 2x minus y is equal to 17. This is equal to equation 1, and then 4x, it's 4y plus 3x, this is equal to 9. I'll simply have equation 2. I must obviously try to create equation 3. I can simply say that from equation 1, whenever I take y to the other side, y will be positive, and then I'll have 2x minus 17, because the 17 will come to the other side as well. And by doing that, I'm literally forming equation 3. So now what I can do is to simply say substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Are you together? So this thing simply means that when I come across OI in equation 2, I must just substitute my third equation. So I'll have 4, the value of y is equal to 2x minus 17 plus 3x is equal to 9. And then now I have one unknown. I can simply solve for x and then go and solve for y after solving x. Okay, 4 multiplied by 2, this will give me 8x. 4 multiplied by 17, 34, isn't 68? 17 times 4, yeah, it's 68. So it's negative 68 plus 3x is equal to 9. Okay, 8x plus 3x, this will give me 11x. And then whenever I take 68 to the other side, it will be positive. So I'll simply have 68 plus 9. This will give me 77. When I divide both sides by 11, x will be equal to 7. X will be equal to 7. Then now I just need to go and solve for the corresponding x value. Remember that y is equal to this. So I can simply say, therefore y will be equal to 2 multiplied by 7 minus 17. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. 14 minus 17 is just negative 3. So whenever I'm solving for x and y here, the x value is 7. The corresponding y value is negative 3. That's how, guys, we would have tackled question number 2. And I really hope that, guys, the videos are helping out.